Hello friends. Next in software engineering is software crisis. Crisis means it is some problems that occur while designing software. While designing software, some problems occurred in earlier days, not now. In earlier days, while writing the program, developing the software, some problems occur. The term used early days of computer science. Now not using the software crisis. For the difficulty of writing useful and efficient program in required time. Okay, so the efficient program in a required time, it's very difficult in earlier days. That leads to software crisis. You know, it's if it is very difficult in writing efficient program within a particular time, that leads to software crisis. Why we are not able to write useful code, the efficient program in a required time? Because due to rapid increase in computer power. Due to rapid increase in computer power. Okay, due to the rapid increases in computer power. And the complexity of the problem that could be tackled. Okay, the problem was very complicated one that could not be tackled. That's the reason difficult of become writing the efficient program. What are the causes of software crisis? If the project running over budget, if the project running over budget, that leads to software crisis. Okay, if your effort is more, okay, the budget is less, that leads to software crisis. If the project running over budget, that leads to software crisis. If the software was very inefficient, the software was very inefficient, the project running over time, okay, it take more time, okay, the client says within a particular days finish the software, but unable to finish within that, the project running over time. The software was of low quality due to low budget. Software was low quality due to low budget. Software often did not meet requirements. What the clients says about the requirement of the project, okay, sometimes it did not meet the requirements. That leads to software crisis. Projects were unmanageable and code difficult to maintain. Okay, the project were unmanageable, not able to manage the project, and difficult to maintain the code. The maintenance become very difficult in earlier days. Software was never delivered. Okay, sometime not able to finish the software, finish the project within a time. Okay, so software sometime not delivered. So these are the causes of the software crisis. What is the solution? What is the solution of this software crisis? Okay, sometime if the workforce is less, okay, why it happens, why the software crisis occurs? Okay, if the workforce is less, if the number of employees are less in the company, then they are unable to finish the software, they are unable to finish the project. Okay, sometime if they use the same tools, same technology, some old technology for all the projects, then also they can't finish the project. The challenges are increasing, the competition is increasing. Okay, so then also they're not able to finish. Okay, so what are the solution for this software crisis? The main solution for software crisis is software engineering. But the solution is the software engineering. Because software engineering is an application of engineering to develop software in systematic method. Okay, in software engineering, use the systematic method to develop the software. What the systematic method? In coming videos you are going to learn. Okay, there are many steps out there. First step is analysis. Okay, then second step is the designing part. Third step is the implementation part. Fourth step is the testing. Test the project how it is working. Then last step is the maintenance. Okay, there are some systematic methods out there in software engineering. Okay, if you follow these methods, okay, the software crisis never occur. Okay, sometime the employees are less in the company. Okay, so employees are very less in the company. Then if the manpower is less, then add the manpower, add the employees in the company. Okay, if the company is using old tools, okay, same old tools for all the project, okay, use the technology. Okay, update the technology every time. Okay, then also software crisis never occur. Okay, when the challenges are required, okay, add the technology. Okay, develop the project within a particular time. Okay, then the software crisis never occur. Okay, whenever the challenges require, just add it, update it. Whenever tools are required, whenever the software is required to develop the software, update the software. Okay, if you follow these methods, the software crisis never occurs. Clear, no? Okay, thank you.